Yeah, that's get still, get quiet, shut the door of the outside world, and go within. And with that in mind, I invite you to join me as we spend a few moments practicing that together. I invite you to notice your breath right now, to bring that into your awareness. And if you're comfortable, close your eyes. If that's uncomfortable for you, then please just find a spot on the chair in front of you or the floor where you can soften your gaze. Give yourself permission for each moment to be peaceful, for each moment to be present, and for each moment to be its own quiet moment. This is a gentle invitation to go into the silent room and close the door. And if you can, allow your inside eyes to focus in on that center of your forehead. Allow that to be your focus. We'll spend a few moments still and quiet, and I'll let you know when it's time to come back. And gently allow yourself to find your breath again. Join me with a nice deep breath in and a nice as we exhale. And as you're ready, you can open your eyes. Namaste.